Okay, now I'm going to show you how to edit a page using Beaver Builder. So I'm going to click first on Pages. And here you'll see a list of all the pages on your website. So we are going to go to your front page. So you'll also see, which is really handy, like because we're using Beaver Builder, with all your pages we've used Beaver Builder on, you'll see that green light active. So you'll know that actually that's what you're going to want to click to make changes to the content on the pages versus edit. So always, if Beaver Builder has a little green light, that's the one you want to use. So everything does have Beaver Builder with that green light enabled, with the exception of your blog. Okay, so for Dance Dynamics, the front page, that's your home page, we'll click on Beaver Builder. And that is going to open your site. Now this is what is super handy, because any part of this, you'll see as I click on it, it opens up and you can very easily edit. So this is what's called a call out. So it has a little bit of text, it has a title, and then it has a headline, and then it also has a sorry, I have to quiet that conversation. It also has a link or a button. So this is where you find the text and the headline. The image is here, so if you wanted to edit this, remove it, change it, you can do that all right there. The call to action is the button. So here you can select the link if you wanted to change that, where that goes. And then you can also click and change the text on there. So learn about our programs, you could add an icon. So it's all pretty intuitive, I think. And then when you're all done making changes, you're going to save it. And same thing here. These is what's called a text box. So if I click it, and then it should be pretty intuitive, like where the text is, you can just edit there. Also in the WordPress editor, you have a visual option or a text option. The text option, that is going to be like the HTML code. So I would recommend stick with the visual. Don't toggle back and forth, because sometimes that can make things look a little funky. Just stick with the visual, and then what you see in here in this text box is most likely going to be what you see when you click save. Okay, so the awesome thing about this is when you click on anything, it should be really easy to see where the text is and how you can just change and save it. If you're wanting to do some more things with the design, that's going to be a little bit more complicated, but to just edit the text, super, super simple. So that's that. We are going to show you too how to set up a new page from scratch. So then I'll get into some more of the modules, but this is just how to basically edit any of your pages. When you're all done, you click done, and then you have the option to save draft. So then your changes, if you were working on something, would only remain here in Beaver Builder. It wouldn't be published yet, but we're going to want to publish. So that sends these changes live on your website. And then you're back to the back end, and that's that.